Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for legal services payments. Whether you are a law firm or a client, Infinitepay.io provides a secure way to handle payments for legal services. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the legal services payments or payments section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to legal services. Now, to receive payments for legal services, create an invoice or payment request through your Infinitepay.io account. Now include your details such as the service description, amount due and payment terms. And to make a payment for legal services, now select on send payment option. After that, enter the recipient's details including their payment information and the amount to be paid. Now review the payment details carefully and confirm the transaction. Make sure to include any references or notes that pertain to the legal services being paid for. Now track and manage your payments through the Infinitepay.io dashboard. You can monitor payment status, view transaction history and handle any issues that may arise. Ensure that both parties have set up their payment details correctly to facilitate smooth and secure transactions. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for legal services payments. This platform helps you manage and process payments for legal services efficiently and securely. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.